Remember, before doing any activity, make sure you have permission from an adult to participate and ask them for help if you need it. Also, please check your surroundings and make sure you're in an appropriate location for the activity. Think about the objects and the people around you. Please make sure messy activities are completed outside, in a kitchen, or in another craft area. Most importantly, have fun. Please contact us if you have any questions. Email us at programs@sherwoodforeststl.org or 314-644-3322.
Great summer so far. If you guys want to see how I made this really cool birdhouse, you guys should stick around. Just want to make the side of the birdhouse. For the side, we're going to need 4 nails as well as the 4 smaller pieces of wood. It's important to note that the 2 larger pieces of wood have pre-nail holes, so you want to make sure that they are facing up in the same direction. Next, you're going to align it with the larger pieces top to bottom and your smaller pieces side to side, and you're going to connect them with your nail. The sides completed, you're going to want to attach it to the base, which is your biggest piece of wood. To attach it to the base, you'll need 4 nails, and you want to make sure to go from the bottom of the base when you're attaching it. And you're going to just nail it in. The side and the base are attached. You will need to nail in the middle support to the base, and just like with the base and the side, you will need to go from the bottom. At this point, your birdhouse should look a little something like this, but we still have work to do. Once the middle support is attached, you're going to want to attach your roof to the middle support using 4 nails. Once your roof is secured, you're going to add your roof cap using 2 nails, as well as screwing on the screw hanger.